Hey weirdos, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I've got a great video for you. So I got a little package from Double Dip. They were so kind to sponsor this video and I couldn't be happier to share this stuff with you guys. I know. I'm gonna do a little unboxing, but while you're looking at everything that I got, we're gonna have a little story time. So I know that Double Dip has been around for a minute. They are all over Instagram. I've seen so many people use and love their products. But you know, Marlakris doesn't like to roll with the trends. I don't like doing what everyone else is doing, so I have not used their products up until now. And honestly, could kick myself why I waited so long. And that's not to say they didn't proposition me. I've gotten many DMs from Double Dip and I was always a little bit too busy. But I'm so thankful that they persisted and then I finally got a chance to try their things and their stuff. And we're going to talk all about it. I'm going to give you all the tea. I'm going to do a whole mani. I will show you all the colors that I got. I swatched them out with the Dip liquids, which worked beautifully. No detectable odor that I could find, but I know that odor, that kind of stuff hits different for everybody. So don't go by me on that. So a quick tour of their website, which is very user-friendly. I came across the Build Your Own Dip Kit and I was intrigued. So I figured we're gonna talk a little bit about it. So on the Double Dip website, you can actually build your own dip kit and you can choose your colors, you can choose how many colors, you can even choose to include a nail drill if you really want to. And you have all these options here for you. They are a US company, they are in Texas. They're actually women-owned, which I also really appreciate and I love to support. So if you are interested in supporting another small biz, because they are a small business, you should check them out. One more thing I want to mention before we get into the mani. For the month of December, they are doing an event for Toys for Tots. So portions of the proceeds for December will be going to benefit Toys for Tots. So if you want to help out a charity in another way, this is another great way to do it. So here are all the colors that they sent over to me. Another thing that I should mention while you're watching the colors swatched out. So Double Dip, when they contacted me, they did offer me an affiliate ship, which means they would give me a code and I would make a commission and all that fun stuff, which is great. I love that they do that. However, I don't like commitment. That's a me thing, I understand. I don't want to say yes to a company and then not like the products, not believe in their what they do, you know? And so I'm like, let me wait. I want to wait. I'm not going to give you an answer yet. Let me try the products and see what I'm working with first. I did one dip. Well, pour over, because I'm using their gel base for this mani. I did one nail and I was like, I'm an affiliate now. I have zero complaints about these products. Everything applied so beautifully. The powder was perfectly pigmented. Say that 3 times fast. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell from the video footage, but it's not a dense powder whatsoever, but it's very nicely pigmented. Very soft, applied very evenly. The gel base is wonderful. You may have seen the ingredients that I showed you earlier. Definitely take ingredients under advisement when you are shopping gels. If you have a gel sensitivity, if you have a HEMA sensitivity, if you have an acrylic copolymer sensitivity, just be mindful of that when you're purchasing any kind of gel product. But I can tell you that the base, the top, and the white gel polish that I used at the end for a little bow, all the same gel formulation. So if you had questions about that, there's your answer. What that means, I don't even know, because I'm not a nail tech. I'm a DIYer, just like most of you guys are. But that's what's in the gels. So here's my game plan. Here was what I was going to do. And I, silly me, thought I was being original until I finished the mani and then saw 46,000 other people do like the exact same mani on Instagram. Always late to the party. In any event, we're going to do 2 gold accent nails with this beautiful glitter. I've got the 3 in the melon color, which is a beautiful red. And I'm going to do a little nail art with the white gel polish. We're going to do a little present gift box moment with a beautiful little bow. It's going to be super simple. You know me, I don't like doing complicated stuff. I don't, because I get frustrated. I don't like taking the time. I'm a lazy nail artist. Yes, I am. So I'm going to get in. I'm going to do 2 pour overs of each color on each nail, curing in between. I like to cure for a minimum of 30 seconds. Usually I will go closer to the 1 minute mark, especially with a color as deep as that red. But you know, that all depends on your lamp, your gel, your situation. So I'm going to do my 2 coats. As you saw, I did a pour over for the first layer of glitter. For the second, I'm going to do a lay in. And this is for maximum glitter, glitter, maximum glitter coverage. This is done very gently since I'm using gel. If you're using the Dip liquids, not so much of a concern, but just so you know what I was doing and why I was doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all of these nails with some gel base, give that a cure, wipe off the tacky layer, file and buff off camera, and I'll come back for some nail art. All right, let's do some nail art. Before I do that, actually, let me just tell you, barely any filing. I cruised around my cuticle area with my e-file and then I buffed the surface. That was literally it. No filing required. So I've got a liner brush and that white gel polish from Double Dip. I'm gonna go super simple. I'm just gonna make a line down the center of my nail. And yes, it is crooked because I do not have a steady hand, contrary to popular opinion. I'm going to take a brush and clean up that line a little bit, but then I'm going to go ahead and do a line across the center of the nail, making what looks like a little present, gift box, whatever you want to call it. And I am curing, by the way. I cured that first line, just a flash cure, 10 seconds. Then I'm going to cure this second line, flash cure, 10 seconds. And then I'm going to attempt the bow. I'm going to do one side first. I'm going to mess it up, clean it up, and do it again. I won't bore you with all the details, but we got it done. And then I'm going to cure that half, and then I'm going to go in with the second half, the bow. Oh, by the way, all the products that I'm using are going to be linked down in the box, along with my affiliate code. If they still want me to be an affiliate after this, who knows? But if you want to use it, that is absolutely fine. If you do not want to use it, also absolutely fine. You're not hurting my feelings, I promise. About like affiliate stuff, I know there are a lot of Double Dip affiliates, and here's what I'm going to say about that. If you have a creator that you love with your whole entire heart, that's not me. If it's another creator who's an affiliate for Double Dip, use their code. Use their code because you love them and you want to support them, and let's give them the commission. Does that make sense? Because it is a commission code. So only use mine if you really want to. If not, use somebody else's and support some other creators. Now that I've yapped about that for no apparent reason, I'm going to go ahead and top coat. I'm using their glossy top coat to finish this mani off, and I'll come back with final thoughts. Final thoughts, obsessed. Love the company, love the products, big fan. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, spending some time with me today. Have a fabulous rest of your day. I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.